worked a train to Stratford upon Avon. I don't saw on the route, but when they passed us out on that, and then we had a conversion brief for the Noughts. We had to work a train to Stratford. You have to use.
Where would you normally go to as far as Dorridge?
No, you don't really start it. This is all Snow Hill work.
You're not allowed to. You're not allowed to make decisions like
Dorridge, Worcester.
So your only incursion on the western part is Leamington.
Yeah. Yeah, all these Snow Hill's just one route, one traction.
So I think the top divided train like we divide it in control. We've got western roads, which is the line going through here to Kidderminster. That's like western roads control. And then we've got Midland control, which stops like Stowers, the Derbies and all that type. So in effect, it's almost like two railways.
Yeah, so because Snow Hill's one traction, one route, whereas Cobb is 7 routes, on 4 traction. It's good at like Cobb, you do a bit of everything. New Street might just like spend a whole day on the cross city, whereas Cobb will be work a train Northampton and back, do a bit of cross city, and they'll probably slap a dog box on the end of it. So I'm 153 just for 12 months. I go out of confidence into the work.
Like sitting here because I can hear the echoing of the engine.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, I like leaning out with me on the heritage rides, but not on the lane anymore. But I was on Scotsman doing the Steam Dreams towards Salisbury. I was only leaning out with him because I needed some fresh air.
Say tickets on the day would then be sold where it's available. Bearing in mind it's so as well. But quite lightly loaded really.
It's fun, I used to do it both, but now I don't really do a lot of steam. I'll probably do about 1 a year. I score about 1 a year.
But again, when you do it, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's different.
The third one's gone to Llangollen now.
Yes, but it's not in this one.
Yeah, 31271. It's a good one as well. That's probably the loudest pedal on the road. Because the 47's jack.
Yeah.
So the 31's going to do all its turn.
Do everything. Good job they got that in there.
Yeah. The 26 has gone bang. The 26 went bang. It's gone to Gloucester and Warwick. He had some repairs and it's gone there to be finished off now. Yeah. The Fancy McAllister's wrong with it. So it's intended to work the Gala because they've got their own 26 and all, don't they?
Yeah.
It's intended for it to work the Gala, but it couldn't. Yeah, that's gone back. The 47's about as reliable as chocolate farm now. So they hired that 31 in.
How expensive it is to maintain these things.
Yeah.
To get the technical knowledge.
Yeah. Well, I think they sold the tractor to raise funds to repair the 26 and make the 47 a bit better.
neither are working.
No. It's good then, that place. They're doing the 6 this weekend, aren't they?
Cracking weekend, weren't it? Oh, that was really good.
I think they've got a new venue there as well now, like the 108 or something.
Pictures of you and your old mate. Some funny pictures.
Yeah.
Your old mate.
It's trolleys, isn't it? And then we got in that water. Did I drink all that cider? Yeah, you drank it. No, I didn't. You did. So I strategically hid it, didn't I?
See, it just goes on a mission.
So he put something on Facebook the other day, there's a picture and he was like the army with the fittest, with the most physically fit alcoholics known to man. I've seen 1 year at Seb Valley was a bit like it was like loads of stuff went. It was the year, it was when that was that one you went to and you got the itch again.
Yeah.
And yeah, because I went, did I go 2 days? I think I did. And anyway, we had all, because the way what happened was there was so much stuff that you were like constantly moving to try and just scratch anything in. And all the times that we'd allocated to go and get some chips or something, right, you couldn't make it because otherwise you'd miss it. So, because they're running late. So yeah, it was absolutely obliterated. Right? It's weird because he was absolutely KO'd, right? And then when we at the end, before he was going home, we actually went and got some food. And after he'd eaten, it was like somebody flicked a switch and he was fine. It was really weird. We'd done one of those jugs of old Rosie himself. Just KO'd. Yeah, after he'd eaten, it was as if he hadn't even touched the drop. Yeah. Weird. Never seen anything like it.
One thing from London. Oh, hating me.
Always eating pigeons, and just going along and looking at the back and it's just it's
Learning control.
Yeah. I see a lot of foxes as well. The other day I was still at bed, we were just leaving bed with and there was one on the track walking around. So he's got Thomas. So you get him on the third rail and it keeps cooking him until they're small, isn't it?
Roast pigeon. This way you've got houses at the top and it's just like where over the years they've just tossed all the rubbish over
Yeah,
the fence and it cools down.
You see it like on, see it all the time. Like around Dudley and Samwell. Yeah. They were like doing some repairs to the canals when Dudley Port and you could see it drained it out. Like, you could see there's all sorts of trap in it.
Oh, there's a platform alteration going onto the other platform instead of the main platform. Was that supposed to be tied to your foot, was it? Or?
I'm not sure.
When arriving into Tyseley, you are leaving the train here. Please remember to take all your luggage and belongings with you. Train doors will be released on the right-hand side of the track to travel. Please do not open train doors. Stewards will open the train doors for you. Please mind the gap between the trains and the platform edge. This is Tyseley.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah.
No, yeah, come on, change.
Yeah, it's right here, look.
There you go. Right, about Tyseley.